Presenting the Kia 2021 Seltos S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 146 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, automatic full-time, air conditioning, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.